So you want to make changes to your website? It's not working? Should you revise what you have, or should you rebuild from scratch? G'day, it's James from C Squared. So we have a lot of customers come to us and they want their website to look better, they want it to perform better, and they want to convert more customers. Now we commonly get asked, should you revise the website that you got? Or is it better to start from scratch? What's cheaper? What's better? What adds more value? So I would never say a flat out no, don't revise the website you've got there, because every website is completely different and it really needs to be assessed on a case-by-case basis. So we've got 4 questions to ask to really determine whether you should rebuild or whether you can get away with just a revision. So number 1, does your website meet your business goals and objectives? Number 2, what does the overall look and feel of your website look like? How old is it? Now, if you're using old technology or it's anything over 5 years, you're probably looking at a rebuild, but yeah, it's a space that changes all the time and evolves. So how old is your website? That's a really important question. Number 3, is the path from A to Z simple, clear and concise for the customer? Can they get what they need really easily and quickly and clearly? And number 4, does my website function and do everything that is expected of it? Now, if you answer no to any of those 4 questions, you may have to bite the bullet and look at a total rebuild for your website. So depending on how your website's built, actually revising a website can take longer than building from scratch. Now, it's easy to think that we'll just make a few changes to the website and you'll fix all of your problems. Well, this generally isn't the case, especially with older websites. So Frankensteining is actually a term used in the web industry, and that's when you apply band-aid solutions to make fixes to a website, instead of thinking about restarting from scratch and getting rid of all the bugs and creating something fresh and new with the latest technology. So Frankensteining is generally not a good idea, or it's a temporary fix. So this often creates a messy and disconnected user experience, and it can also cause problems down the road. So addressing whether to revise your website or take a fresh approach, it's vital because it's going to save you money, it's going to save you time, and it's going to fix your problems. So your website can then start performing the way it should do. It should be creating your leads, it should be converting your customers, and it's going to take your business to the next level. Look, if you want to know more information about this topic, please head to our blog. We've written all about it in a lot more detail than what I've gone on through here. If you haven't already and you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for listening. Here's to designing with purpose.